Hello everybody, we're at another episode here for the Cobra Daytona build. In this episode, I'm going to add more of that carbon fiber. I showed you a couple episodes ago where we did the side panels over here. I'm actually, since I've got some more of this, I'm going to start filling in some of this. Also on the passenger foot box, probably just go right up to this edge here. I don't want to go any higher than that because I got to go through, the steering column comes up through here. So I'm probably going to go up to this bottom edge. And I'm just going to leave a little bit of gap. That way the carpet will still go on the inside, but it should be some nice sound deadening. Might even put some on the side, but it all depends on, let's see if we look up inside there. Yeah, I don't know if I'll put some up into there because there's really nothing to mount it to, so I might leave that plain. But I figure I've got a few sheets left and might as well use it. I can at least get some here and there, and then we'll go from there. But, you know, help make it a little solid. And then you got the headers. The exhaust comes right through here. So hopefully that gets rid of some of the extra heat and the sound. So you've seen it before. I'll kind of show you as I go along, but I'll go out there and cut a couple pieces up. I'll make a cardboard template. I'm going to have to kind of jog around this here. This is the throttle pedal bracket. So I'll have to kind of do a little jog around here. I'll make a template out of cardboard and then we'll go from there. But yeah, follow along. So thanks again, and we'll have some more fun with carbon fiber. Thanks. I cut out a template of cardboard, and this thing's going to go up into here, as you can see. So we'll go out and cut out some carbon fiber. As I said, it's going to go just a little bit of space. I want a little air gap between it and the aluminum, and then we'll get a piece of this thing in. So this thing should be nice. I'm sure it helps deaden the sound, add no weight, and probably add some heat insulation too. So let's go and cut some carbon fiber, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so we got one cut. We're gonna do this one up here next. So, yeah, it cuts pretty quick, and then we'll adhesive these into place. So I've got the two passenger pieces done. I don't know if you can see from here. Those are cut out, not adhesive in yet, and then I just finished up the driver's side right here. So it's basically just this. You know, is it going to help at all? I don't know. Does it add weight? Yeah, a couple of ounces at the most, but definitely looks cool. And I figured that way I could say I used all this carbon fiber. I don't know what I can really do over here. None of the tubes are square to really put it on. Yeah, I could start filling in some of this. Probably could fill in this piece. Is it worth it? I don't know. You know, I'm still going to have all this open up here. So, yeah, I could definitely fill this in. Definitely fill this in here. Oh man, I don't know. It's just becoming a lot of work just getting all this carbon fiber cut and fitted. So, but that definitely would quiet it down even more. These foot boxes would be bulletproof at that point. So we'll see. I'll keep pushing forward. I'm probably going to clean up those pieces and get those glued in, and then we'll go from there. So I've got the you can see the carbon fiber now is all in place. So, and it's got some adhesive there, some polyurethane clear. That's now drying. So we'll see if this helps or not, but it's still cool. As I said, the other side's over here. You can see that all in place. So just got to put the aluminum panels over. Actually, wouldn't even have to. So if you wanted to not do that, you could actually leave the carbon fiber look and leave the aluminum panels off. But I figured anything I could do to help quiet it down. So thanks again for watching. I guess you would call that carbon fiber episode 3. Thanks again, and hit subscribe if you want to see more.